The guy in the orange jumpsuit is back. So I've been off YouTube for a couple of months now, but I've decided to get back into it after having a little break, just sorting some things out in my life. But today we're just going to do a little update on the van and see where we are. So if you're new here, my name is Will and I've made videos to help you guys convert your vans, saving money and time, trying to do it on a budget. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. So last summer you guys remember that I got the bumpings painted, so I got them colour coded and they're holding up really well. I always painted the wheels and I fitted an air vent in the roof. So unfortunately that air vent has started leaking, so I need to sort that out and get that fixed. And the back of the conversion is looking pretty much the same. So as you can see, the bumpers are still looking really, really good. I'm so pleased that I got them colour coded. As you can see as well, the wheels are still holding up quite nice. This is probably the better wheel. One on the other side has got a bit of rust showing, so I'm gonna have to repair that as well. So at the back I've carpeted both the barn doors. So I took the film off the windows and I carpeted the barn doors. I put the curtains up as well. So the curtains from Van X, there's a link in the description to get those. And then I also put the wood panelling back on as well. And as you guys can see on the inside, it is pretty much the same. As you can see, I've taken the roofing off because that vent is leaking, so I need to get that fixed. So I put a bit of gunk on the roof, but I need to wait for it to rain to see if it's fixed. But as you can see, the inside's the same. So really all I need to do in the back there is just finish off the electrics and build the bed and do a few finishing touches. I also removed the chrome side rails off the van, so if anybody wants them, let me know and we can sort something out. It's a really quick video today, just doing a quick update and hopefully getting back into some videos. Got a few videos planned, so keep an eye out for them. The guy in the orange jumpsuit. But like always, hit that subscribe button because I'm just trying to help you guys out convert your vans. And don't forget to check out my website. See you in the next video.